goodness, it is so pretty.
How much have you guys set aside?
$215,000.
That's a pretty good amount to work with, I feel like. What are you wanting here?
We just want this to be a really fun, welcoming, inviting space. We want to see some character.
There's a lot of houses around.
Privacy is an issue,
Yeah.
and the house doesn't look very good.
Just needs a lot of love.
So out here, we're gonna try to center up that garage door, cover up that second entrance, also create a better front entrance, so some sort of front porch, and then new windows, new siding, and a new roof. And really, the overall look and overall feel is gonna be modern.
So everything new outside.
Everything new,
Basically.
just completely new.
Place it all.
All right, let's go in.
Okay.
All right, welcome to our home.
Wow. You know, there's a big empty canvas. Okay, so let's talk about how we configure this space. I mean, this one room has to kind of be a lot of things, right?
There's only 2 rooms in the rest of the house that we can use for the girls. They're in decent shape, but they're gonna need some work. They're definitely gonna need some flooring and paint. But there's not a space for a bedroom for Phil and I.
Okay, so plan in here. We are going to have a feature wall with a fireplace flanked by windows. We can incorporate some steel, just lots of industrial elements in here.
Nice.
Over here, we'll have your kitchen island, your line of cabinetry. We're gonna do some upper windows so that you have privacy, but you still have natural light. And then back here, we'll have your dining space. And then here, this will be your bedroom, closet, and bathroom. So there'll be a wall now. I want to do something where we have some sort of a focal wall in your bedroom.
Sounds awesome.
Now, what is all this?
Because I see an exit sign.
I'm hoping this goes to my future patio.
You have shade? Oh yeah, look at
You
this.
can see there's not a lot of privacy.
Obviously, you need privacy.
Privacy's important.
We can put up a fence or something. This slab is not in great shape. Can we just pour a new slab?
Yeah, I think you almost have to really know fixing this.
All right, so for this little patio, we're gonna create a private little oasis back here. We're gonna put a new concrete pad down, and then we'll also give you some sort of privacy with a fence, and we'll just maybe surprise you with something.
Guys, I'm really excited for this. I think it's gonna be awesome.
I am too.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really cool.
Dojo with Mojo.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Yes.
Love
Can't wait
it.
to get
watch
started.
out.
Oh yeah!
We've got to get rid of that entire bathroom, and that's about it inside. We got to get the siding off, and then we're gonna start stripping the roof. So we've gotten quite a bit done at the Cristofaro's house. We got a team in here polishing the floors. Outside, we're removing that second entrance, that crooked garage door, and on the side of the house, we're breaking up that old concrete slab. It's falling apart. I want to just rip it out of there and make a perfect back patio for them.
It always helps once framing takes place to really see how the space is gonna lay out. I can really visualize now, okay, kitchen here, dining, living room. So I was thinking this wall is gonna be gigantic. Jen and Phil said they like color, they like unexpected, they like fun, bold. Thinking maybe we do some sort of like floral mural. So I think that'll be great, don't you?
A lot of wall for flowers.
Just need to find a muralist, but I'm on it.
Yeah.
Trust me, you take care of the steel, I'll take care of the flowers.
Okay. Looking good.
Oh, I can't wait to see it all, I'm in. Awesome.
We've got the modern cabinets going in. We got the firebox being installed. And beside the fireplace, we've got these giant windows going in that really complete the space. That's it, Laurencio. That's the look. It looks amazing.
Super nice.
Because there isn't cement flooring in the girls' bedrooms, we're installing a gray-toned vinyl flooring. The main bathroom is getting a contemporary bathtub and a vanity with 2 sinks. In the main living space, Cheryl's back. She's getting started on the custom mural. It's gonna be fun and unexpected, and I know Jen and Phil are going to love it. We're nearing the end of the Cristofaro's modern home makeover, But we still have lots to do before Phil and Jen can finally see their home. We're installing gray quartz countertops that have a concrete look on both the kitchen cabinets and the island. And then for landscaping, we're incorporating trees and plants that are minimalistic and modern, but also create some additional privacy.
How do you feel? Are you excited or are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous.
I just need to see this house. Please, Lord, let us love it.
Yeah, I know. Okay, this is it, the moment we've been waiting for.
Oh my
gosh.
I never thought in a million
Oh
years
my
that it would look this good.
Whoa!
David Seymour! What is this?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this.
Amazing!
Oh my.
I love you.
How you doing, man?
Oh man. This is incredible.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I cannot believe that Dojo could turn into this.
Oh my gosh.
I love it so much. I mean, it looks like a house.
So this front enclosure, wanted to give you guys some privacy, but then also we lined it in cedar to make it just this warm, welcoming space.
I love it. You actually made it look good.
Oh, well now we have to go inside.
Are you ready to see the inside?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's walk.
Okay.
Holy.
my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
I love it. Big, like we can have so many people because there's plenty of space in here. Oh my gosh, wow.
That's incredible.
Oh, I love the floors.
Floors look incredible.
Can you believe how good the floors look?
No.
I mean, and this mural, what in the world?
You told me you're not afraid of color, you're not afraid of bold things.
No.
So I had Cheryl come over
Get out.
and create this mural.
Cannot even believe this, and it means so much because she did
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
It is the perfect contrast to all of these kind of industrial elements in here, but then this is just fun.
I love this space so much. I love this kitchen. It is incredible. I love it so much. I can't
And the
even
brick,
take it.
Jen, it's the same brick that you guys had on your old house.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Yes, because we
Oh
knew
my
how much
gosh.
you loved that house and that brick.
You guys just nailed it.
I can't believe that. I can't believe this is
Freaking
our house.
out. I just need a minute. Like, I just need a minute.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay, should we see another room?
Yeah, please.
You
Wow.
Head down your hallway.
What room are we going
The
to?
girls' rooms?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh my,
Oh my
gosh.
gosh, this is so cute.
Wow.
Maisie is gonna love this.
So, you know, we just wanted to have it ready for them.
Yeah.
So when they come to see the new house, they
have
have
their
their own space.
We gotta
Wow.
see your space.
I know. Come on, this is even way more exciting.
Wow. It's perfect.
Yeah.
I thought that room was just too small to have a bedroom, and this is just incredible how you guys made it fit.
Feels like a home.
Yeah.
We're
does.
almost gonna give it back to you. We gotta go check out your bathroom.
Wow. Oh my gosh, are you
Oh, wow.
kidding? Oh my goodness, beautiful. I love every single detail. Also really love the color. This is beautiful.
And we still have one more space.
Oh my
One
gosh,
more.
I can't even believe it.
One
Let's
more,
go.
then we're
Come
done.
on, one more.
I can't believe
Let's
there's
do
more.
it.
What? Ah!
How did you do this?
Oh
What
my
is
gosh!
this?
You guys! What
Holy
in the
cow.
world? Oh my gosh, this is
that-
the coolest thing I've ever seen. I just need to
Fire.
like touch this. It's beautiful. Like it's real. Like it stays. It looks like a rug, but it's not. It's concrete. Dave Mars, you are incredible. Thank you for taking the time to make this for our family.
Yes,
It means
sure.
so much more
Well,
because
I
you
figure
did
when
it.
our family comes over, there's 7 of us. We need a little bit
Yes.
of space to enjoy
Yes.
it with y'all.
Wow. I'm so grateful for everything that you've created for us here. This is really amazing, and it's more than we could ever ask or imagine.
It's a new beginning for us, and thank you so much for making it happen.
It's awesome.
You know, it's just a really beautiful thing to be able to come into this building and have it be part of us now.